Introducing the all-new Corolla.
This constant routine oversight.
GMH Administrator Joe Verga tells PNC that Dr. Ian Richardson has been placed on administrative leave pending the completion of an investigation. He declined to give details of the investigation, but PNC has learned from a source that Dr. Richardson got into a verbal altercation with a patient last month. According to our source, Dr. Richardson and the patient already have a history of bad blood from a previous court case that had since been resolved. Then on March 16th, the patient suffered a heart attack and was taken to the emergency room at 6 in the morning while Richardson was on duty. The source tells us that Richardson went into the patient's room while the patient was having difficulty breathing and speaking and went off in a tirade, yelling at the patient over their previous dispute. All this while the patient was frail and defenseless in the emergency room, the source says. Dr. Richardson's tirade was so brash, says our source, that others in the emergency room heard it as well. Meanwhile, Verga told PNC in a phone call that, quote, Dr. Richardson has been put on administrative leave pending the completion of our investigation, at which time we will determine final action.